and packing of my carry-on. So here you're gonna be amazed of all the stuff that I packed. I'm not gonna claim that this is something that you can do fast. I take probably a good 2 hours packing. Again, you might be better than me. But I'm gonna start spreading here what exactly I packed. So this is also my wonderful bag, thanks to gift from my friend Leslie. And I really do, I can show you what it is. Perhaps I should go ahead and show you as I bring it to the bathroom in the hotel. So I like the fact that I can hang it. Tell you what it is. I think you will get the picture anyway. So with this awesome way to organize things, I usually throw some samples of toothpaste, my little perfumes here, and the toothbrush, some sewing kit. And here what I travel with is, this is my extra makeup. Everything that you're seeing here is always there. I don't mess up packing and repacking. So I always have here my brushes, all girly stuff. So nothing is missing. And from here you can see I have a portable brush. The other end, this is actually bigger, but I just bought it somewhere wherever I run out of it. I usually have a smaller one, and I'm not really fond to that brand, but it just happened to be here. This is some spray for cucumber facial spray. Then I have these 3 awesome bottles that are perfect size for my bag. So I have a shampoo, conditioning, and body lotion. Now these are my own products. I like Nature's Gate, and that's what I use, Nature's Gate. So I have a makeup remover. I do have Poopery. All right, this is a makeup. That's Kiko's from Italy. It's a very common brand. Kiko's will be a little bit like your, I don't know, it's like a pharmacy with a lot of things. It's not super expensive. Let's say this will be, I forgot, no more than $15, so it's not expensive. Here I have also travel size hairspray. I have extra tissues. I do have my sample size Prada for my perfume. This is cool. I have it for so many years. I don't know if anybody can get it anymore. But this was, I think, either an oil of Olay, but I can put my night cream and day cream in one place, so I can have it all in the travel size. So that's it. This is just a little bit toilet paper that I always have extra. So then I know it should be here a razor. Yes, it is. So here what I carry is a razor. I carry a nail file. I carry very important items when you travel. And of course, vapor rub. So now you have the naked truth. Wait a minute, there's more stuff here that I don't know what year in the world I shove it in here. So some hand lotion. This is an Italian, kind of like a Theraflu for colds. This is a package of my perfume. Let's see. More facial lotions. Oh, a mirror just in case. This is a mirror from Colombia. And I like to explain where is everything. Oh, this is a mouthwash. That's it. Naked truth of my bathroom items, and this is all fitting in that bag. So like you can see, I really don't like to miss anything. I carry it all. So thank you for watching my bathroom bag that I love it and I'm always prepared. Thank you. Watch the next video.